Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another graduation week video. Today I have a really fun paper craft for you. This is my Graduate with Honors layered paper craft. How fun is that design? You've got the globe there with the graduation cap on top. You have the medal for the honors, a textbook, and then a cute little apple there as well. Just a really fun design. This project is really simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, brayer, scraper, weeding tool, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. You could also use foam squares to add some dimension between the different layers, but that's totally up to you if you want to do that or not. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project is part of Graduation Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in the entire event, including all 7 cut files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus graduation cut files through the VIP Access Pass, you can find information down below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Normally I size these to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12x12 cutting mat, so they're a little bit less than 11.5 inches. For this project, I'm actually going to reduce the size here in the sizing options. I want this to be able to fit within an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So I'm going to come up here to the sizing options and I'm going to reduce the width while leaving the proportions locked to 10.5 inches. So that way it will fit within the piece of paper that I want to use. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. I know it looks like there's a lot there, but let me just break it down for you. From back to front, you're going to start with the white, then cream, yellow, dark blue, red, green, light blue, and then blue. Now, like I said earlier, you can totally use foam squares between the layers to add some extra dimension. I'm just going to layer everything together, glue everything together, and I'm going to speed up the video while I do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there we go. Our layered paper craft is all set. Isn't it cute? I hope that you like it. Wasn't this project really easy to put together? I think it would be great in a shadow box as a gift, and it also would be really cool on a card. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it with us on our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next graduation week video. Bye-bye.